When it comes to choosing aftermarket wheels and tires for your truck, there's a lot of choices. In the case of our 2019 F-150, we opted for ProComp Syndrome 44 20-inch wheels and BFGoodrich's All-Terrain T KO2 tires. Here's why. As typical with wheel selection, so much comes down to looks. Syndrome 44 wheels have a 12-spoke design with a satin black powder coat finish that's been cured for enhanced corrosion resistance. The one-piece aluminum wheels also incorporate milled simulated beadlocks for added off-road styling we like. While our wheels are all about style, our tires are all about durability. For trucks that need to perform in all terrains and in all weather conditions, BFG All-Terrain T KO2 tires can handle virtually whatever is thrown at them. They use split and bruise resistant rubber and thicker and extended shoulders to protect the sidewalls, side-biter lugs, mud-phobic bars and serrated shoulder blocks, and locking 3D sipes provide all outstanding terrain grip. With aggressive styling from our ProComp Syndrome 44 wheels and traction from our BFGoodrich All-Terrain T KO2 tires, our F-150 is ready to roll. We opted for ProComp's decisions. When it comes and BFGoodrich our F-150 is ready to roll. And traction All-Terrain KO2 tires.
Hey, nice work.
Yeah.